Sorry, I have been away from my YouTube channel for a bit of a while, but today, after so long, I thought to be back on my channel. And what made me back on my channel was an issue which is currently burning the internet, and that is the very familiar one, the Zomato one, which actually underlines fake feminism. Recently, you know what, although I can say that women in India have been subjected to harassment, molestation and many more vile activities since ages, but after they see what the West or the Western culture they have overcome in the past time over a great extent, it gives them encouragement, not just to give positivity or to empower them so that they can take a step ahead for their own ideology, not to demean anyone. But what in India especially, what's going on nowadays, it's fake feminism. I have seen many cases currently, the Zomato guy case. I don't get one thing. The girl from Bangalore, she was up to this. All she did, she played a sympathy card of women and everything just to get free food. Why so? For that thing, for your personal interests, you can demean, disrespect anybody, you can put anybody's respect on knife. If this is what feminism is called, then I don't think it is going on the right way or in the right direction. And if we connect it to Bollywood, we have seen many things. Recently, Neha Dhupia, the Rodi's Revolution case. The guy who said in his interview that he slapped his girlfriend because she was, indulging with some other guy or something. So why would you like to, she said that I'll slap you, it's her choice. If she has or if she carries 6 boyfriends or something. Why so? If for that reason you can disrespect anybody on national platform, if this is what feminism is, yes, I accept it. It's their right to choose their partner or to do whatever they like. But that doesn't mean by hurting someone's feeling. Someone means men, women, anybody. Feminism is not only about men or women. It's just about the human being. We should understand this. A few, you can say, before lockdown, a very famous issue, or the last year, a very famous issue came up. Burning up in Bollywood, and it was Me Too, the Me Too case. Okay, fine, a lot of people in this industry, they go through this, and sometimes a lot of compromise, whatever it is. It is said that in Hindi there is a very beautiful thing said that Diya Tale Andhera. So brightness is very beautiful, very colorful, the glamour world is also. But there are some dark things as well. It's fine. If anybody is sharing it, you don't need to follow that in a queue. Like I would not like to take the name, but a very senior, very senior actress. She, after so many years, just to come into limelight, she took the name of a very senior star and she accused him for molestation, that he barged into her room during the theater days. It means like when she was into theaters. So this is pointless. Okay, fine, if everybody wants fame and if you want to be into that, you don't need to defame anyone, you don't need to demoralize anyone. You just show your talent, do your work. By that you will be renowned. You don't need to do these silly things to get into limelight. And a very famous actress as well, model as well, Payal Ghosh. She accused Anurag Kashyap for that, for sexual harassment. And I think it's baseless for, pointing or putting such famous, well-known director into such type of, bad light for your own benefits. It is very wrong. I don't accept it. And I'm from Agra. It's a very beautiful place. So I have studied, I've worked for a while in Delhi. And in 2014, I heard a very famous issue which happened. It was based on fake feminism. It was in Delhi, the bus. A guy, by the sudden pushing of brake, the guy just got stuck to a girl who was standing just in front of him in the bus. And the girl just slapped him, and she went on social media, and a lot of things happened, and she said a lot of things, and finally in 2016, I guess, I'm not sure, 16 or 15, the guy committed suicide. And it was very heartbreaking for a man, being a man, to listen that and to hear all these things going across. And it was just because of the girl. He tried to, the boy, he tried to, explain that he was not wrong at his place, but all these things went on and on. And recently I read a very beautiful, you can say, comment by Sonam Kapoor, and it was regarding, she said that yes, I do support feminism, but for a good reason. But nowadays the women, they are playing sympathy card on the ground of feminism, which is completely wrong. I don't accept it. It's not about defaming anyone. It's not about putting someone down. It's just about putting your self-esteem up. So my dear ladies, it's good to be feminist. It's beautiful. You are beautiful. The world is beautiful. Please respect everyone and just follow the truth. Thank you. And please like, share and subscribe my channel. Bye.